Hi guys, my name is Chimete and welcome to Hello Adonis. In this series, we'll be looking at how to deploy Adonis applications. The question on how to deploy Adonis applications keep popping out within Adonis communities. The thing is that most people tend to forget that Adonis applications are Node.js applications and can be deployed the same way you would deploy any Node.js application. In this video, I'll be showing you how to deploy Adonis application to Heroku. We'll start by creating a new Adonis application. We'll call it Demo Adonis. Once that is done, let's test to make sure everything is working. Next, we need to set up a Git repository since we'll be using Git for deployment. Head over to GitHub and create a new repository. Then we'll commit and push the application to GitHub. Now the application is on GitHub. Next, log into your Heroku dashboard and create a new app. We'll be deploying using Heroku Git, so you need to install the Heroku CLI on your computer. Go through the documentation and see how to install the CLI depending on your operating system. Once the CLI is installed, you need to log into Heroku if you haven't already. Then we add Heroku remote to the repository. With that done, to deploy our application, we simply push to Heroku. The deployment is done. Let's use the Heroku CLI to open the application. There you have it. Our Adonis application is now running on a live server. Before we wrap up this tutorial, let's take a look at how we would handle environment variables. AdonisJS reads some config details from the .env file, and since it is recommended to not commit the .env file to Git, but to have a unique one for each environment. Hence, our application's .env file wasn't part of the file that was deployed. So we need a way to create these config variables on our production environment. Heroku does this seamlessly by providing a UI in which we can enter a key and value pair config variables. You can add additional variables depending on your application. You might get env provider error. To ignore this, you must start the server with env silent set to true, just as it is specified in the documentation. To ensure our environment variables are being read, let's make some few changes to the application. We are simply displaying the environment our application is running on. Now let's push the changes to GitHub and Heroku. Now let's view our changes. As you can see, our environment is now production. By default, Heroku node environment is production. Let's change it to something different. You can see that our actual environment variable are being read. One last thing I would like to cover is Node.js version. Heroku will by default use the current stable version of Node.js. If you want a specific version, you can do that in your package.json file. You simply add an engines key with your specific Node.js version. Then we push the changes. As you can see, the Heroku CLI is now installing Node.js version 8.4.0. Our application is now running on Node.js version 8.4.0. That's it, guys. You have seen how easy it is to deploy AdonisJS application to Heroku. Kindly drop your questions and comments below. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to deploy AdonisJS application to a VPS. See you guys then.